As today I'm gonna tell you why every cuber should know COLL and also tell you some most easy COLL cases that you can learn easily. So if you don't know COLL, it's basically when you have all edges oriented on the top. Instead of doing OLL, you apply a little bit different algorithm which solves the corners also. So if you solve a Zoom case without COLL, it will look like this, and you get a bad PLL which is VPerm. But if you apply a little bit different algorithm which gives your OLL complete, all corners set up, and you may get a PLL skip. If you have solved the corners of last layer, you are left with edges only, and to solve the edges there are only three type of PLLs you can get, which is a U-perm, a Z-perm or a H-perm, and they all are very fast. For example, an H-perm, a U-perm. If you remember this algorithm is used to orient all the corners in the beginner's method, and I'm using this algorithm to solve two COLL cases. So the first is this: when you have these two opposite, and these two opposite, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L, and that solves it. And this is completely inverse of the previous one, and it is anti-Zoom. You have these two opposite, and these two opposite. You have to apply L prime, U, R, U prime, L, U, R prime, and that solves it. Do not learn COLL if you haven't learned full OLL, because full OLL is more useful than learning COLL. And remember that you can't master in few days, you have to practice this many times, as you are not familiar with recognition of these types of patterns. When you have these two opposite, and these two opposite, you will take time to get fast recognition in now the time of most easy COLL cases. And yes, if you want to know how to make this pattern or the inverse of this pattern, you can comment down in the comment section below. I will make a separate video for different types of patterns. So the first is this: when you have these two opposite, and these two opposite. To solve this case, you have to hold the cube like this and do R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L, and that solves it. When you have these two opposite, and these two are same, you have to hold the cube like this and do U2, R, U prime, R prime, U2. You have to do this again, R, U prime, R prime, U2, and do R prime, D prime, and do R, U, R prime, and just the inverse of R prime, D, R, and that solves it. When you have this OLL, you can recognize this case with these two same, and these two are opposite. To solve this case, you have to hold the cube like this in this position and do widar, U, R prime, U prime, and do a sledgehammer with widar move in the starting, widar prime, F, R, F prime, and that solves it. This when you have this OLL, you can recognize it like this: these two same, and these two opposite. To solve this case, you have to hold the cube in this position only and do R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, U. Do this again, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, 2, R prime, and that solves it. The algorithm I showed you for the second and fifth case in this video is a little bit long, but it is very easy to memorize and very fast to execute. Hope you liked the video guys. So if you like it, don't forget to like. Until next video guys, bye bye.